Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to create and send an email campaign from your Bumpa web app to your customers. Now, with email campaigns, you can send emails to your customers about your upcoming sales, your discounts, more any information that you have that you want to share, sneak peeks, whatever it may be, and you can send them to segmented audiences. Now, to create a new campaign, or rather to create an email campaign, navigate to the campaigns dashboard from the menu option on the left side, and then you click on new campaign right here. Now you have email campaign here. Note that one email costs you 4 messaging credits. So if you're sending, for example, 5 emails, that would be 20 messaging credits. Now you can always toggle between this and this if you're sending an SMS, but here we're sending an email. Now, the next thing to do is to choose your email templates. We have our sales email template, and we also have the default email template. In another video, I'm going to show you how to use the sales email template, but for the purpose of this video, let's just use the default email template. Once you have selected the templates, you just click on continue. You can choose to set it as your default template by clicking on this box here. Next thing to do is to select your customer or your customer group. With customer groups, you have groups of customers that fit a certain criteria. Some have been created automatically and some you can create yourself. So if you're sending, say for example, you want to send an email to your newest customers, all you need to do is click on the box and this customer group will be added, and you can select multiple customer groups. And once you're done, you click on continue. But for the purpose of this video, let's just use customer instead. So I will untick this and we can go back. So let's select a customer. So I'm going to select this one. And once I'm done, I'll click continue. Now that you've selected your customer, the next thing is to fill out the details of your email. So what is the name of the campaign? Let's say Ilea Sales, for example. What's the subject of your campaign? So basically, this is the title of your email that your customers will see in their inbox. So let's use an example like Ilea is coming. Are you ready? Next is to attach an image. You can choose to attach an image to your email by just clicking on that and selecting an image from your computer. You can choose to just upload directly or crop. So let's just upload directly. And now you have your image here. Then finally is the body of the email in itself. So what do you want to tell your customers? Are you running a sale? Are you just excited about Ilea? This is the place to market your business and to create very interesting content with links and everything to get your customers to come and buy from you, or whatever action you want them to take. So let's just use this. Let's use the Ilea as an example. So now let's fill out this part with some information. So let's say, for example, we're writing Ilea is coming. Then here you can select what type of title you want this to be. So for example, if you want to create different titles to organize your content, you can do that. So let's say shop discounted prices across all our stores, 20% off for the first 20 people. Then you can also have another title, say, want to get a free gift, and you just make it bold by selecting it and doing this. Sorry, you just make it a heading 2. Now you can use in any of these to edit, so you can choose to make this bold, for example, like that, and you can choose to make this italics and underlined like that. You can also just add, you can add images, you can add your links as well. And then once you're done, you can preview and send immediately, or you can schedule. So click on the schedule button, you would see this box, and then you just need to fill out pick the time that you want. So for example, we want it to go out at 1:06 on the 26th of May. So let's say you want to change the date, you can change it to 28 at 3:10 p.m. And then you click on continue. And once you're done, your campaign has been scheduled, and you can see this icon indicating that your campaign has been scheduled to be sent out later. Now, if you click on this, you can always edit this to cancel the schedule, and then it's back in drafts, as you can see here with this D, and then you can choose to just continue editing and send immediately. So if you click on preview and send, you would see what your email would look like, and you are ready to send by just clicking on send email, on send. And your email has been sent, and you can click on this on the email at any point in time, on the campaign at any point in time, to see the status. So for example, this processing, and you can click here to view reports. So once this has been sent out, it will change, and you will see that the email is sent out to your customers. So let's do this again. Let's refresh. And now you can see that this has been completed because this campaign has been sent out. And once you click on this, you can view the report of the campaign. And here you can see that the customer has gotten the email in their inbox and they're ready to shop from you. And that's basically it about setting up an email campaign. It's pretty straightforward and a very, very strong, powerful marketing tool to help you increase sales and get your customers to shop more from you. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be breaking down how to use the sales email template. Bye.